For me, I swear, as long as Africa they suffer, Africa they hungry, Africa no unite, no freedom, no justice, no happiness, then go here, Bansa, Bansa, hey! Then go here, Bansa, Bansa.
The claim to a Paleolithic Cro-Magnon descent and the establishment of a Cro-Magnon race has defied all justification to a single origin of man. The questions asked are: by what study, biological, physiological, or anatomical, or generated factual evidences regarding the existence of the Cro-Magnon as claimed? What are the evidences that relate the so-called Cro-Magnon from any other human living at same period in history? What are the evidences that relate the so-called Cro-Magnon to the humans who are claiming to belong to a race of Cro-Magnon? Today, the Africans who occupy northern Ouwerre, now northern Europe, the middle block of the handed down atlas were entirely blackish. The Paleolithic Equatorial, who had spread into the colder regions of the world, did not become Cro-Magnon when they got to those regions. All observable evidences indeed testify that those Africans became lighter in complexion the further away they were from the equatorial region. The earliest advanced human culture, the first knock civilization of Paleolithic age Africa. Preserve their identity as their brothers and sisters who now have become Indian, meaning light-skinned people. Today, we know without any erroneous theories and hypotheses and fictional doctrines, but by pure observable facts. If the so-called descendants of the Cro-Magnon race were to be immersed in the equatorial regions, climatic, for less than 2,000 years, they will once again revert to being black people from whom they owe their origin.